Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to look at the cloning of plants and animals. Now, plants are relatively easy to clone. In fact, if you've ever taken a cutting of a plant, where you remove a small piece and grow it into a whole new plant, then you have cloned a plant. Now, other ways to do this might include taking cells from a root and growing them first in culture to produce single cells. The reason that plants are so easy to clone is that these cells are what we call totipotent. Now, this means that once they have been de-differentiated or unspecialized, they have the capability of becoming any other kind of plant cell, such that each one could be grown into a whole new plant. This is a really important process in agriculture, as it allows for rapid crop production. However, it also presents significant issues, such as the lack of genetic diversity, which contributes to disease susceptibility among plant populations. While animals can be cloned, the process is much more difficult and far less successful than that of plants. Animal cloning is typically accomplished through nuclear transfer, in which the nucleus is removed from an egg cell and replaced with the nucleus from a somatic cell. Now, this can theoretically at least be used either to produce cloned cells for therapeutic purposes or to produce an embryo for implantation into a surrogate. Either way, animal cells are not totipotent like plant cells, and so one of the main difficulties of this process comes from the attempted de-differentiation of the donor nucleus. The further down the differentiation road the donor cell has gone, the harder it is to unspecialize it, and so the less successful the cloning tends to be. Even in instances where the embryo is successfully implanted and grown into a fully developed animal, those animals tend to have significant health problems associated with the inability to fully de-differentiate the donor nucleus. Cloning of animals also, of course, raises significant ethical concerns, and so requires careful and thorough discussion and oversight among the scientific community. Thanks for watching, and please be sure to check out the other videos in this section.